Good afternoon, everyone. It's Sheila here in Boho Daydreams, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful week. It has been a while since I've popped in to say hello. I've been super duper busy. We wrapped up an amazing retreat in North Carolina. It was wonderful. I met so many new people. It was great. Just got back from being gone a week traveling around Montana with my husband, and that was a lot of fun too, especially since our air conditioning wasn't working, which we didn't know about until we were already gone. And so we met some weather conditions of 94 Fahrenheit. So it was really hot, and without the air conditioner going in our camping unit, it was rather warm, but we survived and we had so much fun. Anyway, I am here today to show you a beautiful giveaway, but let me pop up my information first. I'm Sheila Genrich, scoghill4@gmail.com. Facebook group is Boho Daydreams, and I'm going to put all of that in the description box. So while I was at the retreat, one of our vendors there, her name is Lisa Loze, and she had these very beautiful slow stitch kits that I purchased one, and I'm going to show you that. And then she gave me one as a giveaway. She is so very generous. I'm going to put all of her information in the description box. So first of all, we're just going to take a quick peek at this one. It's so beautiful. This was the antique one, and they were sold out right away. Just going to pop up her information here. This is her email right there, Thecraftycornerbylisa@gmail.com. You'll also find her on YouTube, and I'm going to link all of that in the description box, because if you do not win the giveaway, you're going to want one of these. So look how cute they're packaged. They're really packaged cute, so that you can take them with you when you go. You know, if you're going somewhere, you want to take a project along, you can take this along in the packaging. All right, so let's take this off. I should have done that before. I haven't opened this yet. So look at the really cute little charms that you can add to your slow stitch project when you're finished. So the antique package is just filled with beautiful goodies. I should have taken this out beforehand, but I didn't want to destroy the beautiful presentation in the package. All right, so oops, oh, I'm making noise. So there's a little package like this, and it contains some seed beads and some cutest little buttons. And each package has that, I'm seeing. Then there's some really pretty, I don't know if it's antique or vintage, but it's really pretty thread on a wooden bobbin. A beautiful mother of pearl button, a little bit of trim, a little ornate scissors, and just some really pretty little bits and pieces. Some vintage antique lace. I've never done a slow stitch yet, which is why I bought the antique package. Now within this package, I know that these are antique French fabrics. Oh, and there's also a little bit of this. Sorry about that. I needed to have a little coughing fit. So some beautiful French textiles in here, which is why I wanted this. I love French textiles. These are so pretty. They remind me of old wallpaper. You will be surprised how much these kits hold. And I do believe that Lisa also has a video up on her slow stitch. It's a really soft piece of lace. Some old cotton. Then there's more fabrics. That beautiful piece. Oh, I just love this stuff. I don't know if any of you have tried to source French textiles. They are not cheap. Oh, I love these. Oh my gosh, I love petticoat lace. It's even got a piece of petticoat. Got all this beautiful, beautiful fabric. And then there is a lot of pieces of beautiful old lace. Oh my gosh, look at this. I wish I could have the whole piece. Lisa, send more. She sold out of this package at the retreat right away. It's just so beautiful. Look at all those beautiful laces. So this is the antique package. And then there's a beautiful little medallion that you can hang from your snippet, or you can stitch it on. So let's move this one off to the side because this one's mine. It's mine. It'll probably never get completed, but that's not the point, right? We like to have stuff. We just like having stuff. All right, so this is the giveaway. Let's see if I can open this up better than I did the last one. Maybe. So this is a vintage. This is a vintage slow stitch package. And it has some little charms. I hope I'm in camera. It shows me I am, but then every so often I will get a message that said, oh, I wasn't in camera, and I apologize for that. I don't have a professional camera set up here. All right, so let's see what we all have in here. Some buttons and some seed beads. Some embroidery floss. Some trims. So pretty, look at that. So, so pretty. Oh, and there is her sorry, there was her calling card. I don't think my brain is working yet from the retreat. Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Just checking. Yeah, so this is vintage French. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Goodness. So these are her vintage French pieces. Ooh, I love that. Love it, love it. I love that lace. It's a beautiful piece of lace to create little interesting snips. Some beautiful, kind of like a canvas. And here is your felt, and it's a large piece of felt. Another beautiful piece of lace. Isn't that pretty? You could cut those leaves out. That's just so pretty. You can cut the leaves right out. And then there is more fabric. I wanted to have this ironed for you, but I realized that if I took it out, I probably wouldn't get it back in the same. And I wanted you to see how really cute this is all packaged. That's a piece of silk, a vintage piece of French silk. It's just packaged so cute. And whoever gets this isn't going to have it quite as neatly put back in as what I took it out. Oh, this is really pretty. That's a metallic corded piece of lace. And I'm going to put all of Lisa's information in the description box so that if you want one of these amazing packages, you're just going to hit her up for one. Get all these beautiful little pieces of lace. Oh, that's really pretty. So if you want to be included in the draw for this, here is the criteria for the giveaway. So this is the slow stitch giveaway. You'll have watched the video to see if this is something that you even like or would want to be a part of. You're going to comment on the video with email sent so that I'm going to know and be expecting an email from you, because if I don't see an email from you, then I'll connect with you. You're going to send your email to scoghilfor@gmail.com. Title your email with Slow Stitch Giveaway. That way, when I enter in Slow Stitch Giveaway, it's going to populate every single email that was sent that is either in my junk or in the wrong email section, everything. It brings them all up. You need to do that or I might miss your video. You're going to add your name. You're going to add your address. This is for everyone worldwide. I will ship this to you in every country where I am legally allowed to ship from the United States. The giveaway closes and the draw will be done on June 9th, 2025. So good luck, everyone. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by. And good luck to you all. Bye-bye.